All right, Toyota peeps, welcome back to the shop. So today we're talking about the 2007 Toyota Tundra, 4.7 liter. She's been great, 186,000 miles. We just finished a 5,000 mile road trip. Background, right? So we went to Minnesota. We picked up a new travel trailer, a Jayco. We've been looking at them for a while. Headed home, and then in Yellowstone, heard some crazy sounds coming off the wheels. So while we're in Minnesota, we got new wheels and tires. And then when we got to Yellowstone, like I had said, I got out of the truck and both rear wheels were loose. All these lugs were like hand tight. And when my wife drove forward, I could hear this crazy popping and cracking coming from the wheels. So I got out my star wrench and the key, tightened everything down. It still did a little bit, tightened them again. It got a lot better. And then I ended up for these that were this the loosest side. I changed out the lug nuts. I had spares. And that seemed to help a lot for the rest of the trip. But we did notice an occasional audible clunk. So got home, jacked the truck up here, thought, hey, maybe there's metal, right? Drained the fluid out of the diff, nothing on the magnet, just the normal fine shaving film, nothing extra, felt around inside, ran a rare earth magnet through the pan, no metal shavings at all. The fluid looks normal. The fluid only has about, 7 or 8,000 miles on it. I don't know. I don't think that the loose wheels on both sides would have caused damage to my rear axle. And I'm not trying to say that America's Tire did that. I'm not going there. I'm just trying to figure out what's wrong. I really didn't want to have to buy a new truck. Not that an axle issue, but she's not towing well. So what I'm getting at is, does anybody have any ideas about what this could be? I'm guessing maybe it's a wheel bearing, or maybe the spider gears or pin or something inside the diff is like not catching right, and that's making part of that clunking sound. So I got my endoscope camera, I put that inside. I had my wife spin everything. No teeth are missing. Again, no metal in the pan, but no teeth are missing. Nothing's worn. Everything looks great. So I'll spin this now, and you're going to hear it clunk, and then you'll also hear like an audible like metal chip thing. I'm not really familiar with these axles or the bearings. I'm very familiar with 80 series Land Cruisers and other Land Cruisers, but my understanding is that there's 4 bolts that attach this axle housing, and then this whole piece comes out. So I'm not real sure how the bearings press on there. I don't think it's as easy as a Koyo race and bearing that you change out like on an 80, but here it goes. You can hear it. So normally there's a metal sound first and then the clunk. There it goes. So that was the clunk. And there's the metal. I'm starting to wonder if it's a wheel bearing. Anyway, I don't know. I'm super tired. It's been a crazy few days, and I just thought I'd post this for some support and see if you guys had any ideas. Geared 410. I was thinking on the way home with her struggling on the hills, regearing probably a good choice. So I'm sort of thinking Valley Hybrids is the way to go for that. I used Dan at Taylor Axle Works in Placerville. I brought him my third members for my 80, but I've heard really good things about Valley Hybrids. So anyway, either I pull all this and take the diff down and have them go through it and make sure we're all good, or I'm actually kind of leaning toward work's eating me alive. I'm leaning toward setting up an appointment and just bringing the truck in. And I normally do my own work, but it is what it is. That's it. Hoping you guys have some ideas, and we'll go from there. I'll do this one more time. That's not going to do it. I do think it's where the other wheel's not spinning. I don't know enough about open diffs. I thought that wheel was supposed to spin. There's the metal. If I go backwards, it spins. Whoa. It hasn't done that yet. The drive shaft's not spinning. Something's not right. I don't know what. I think this is beyond me. Something's funky. I think I'm gonna have to bring it to a pro. I don't have time to go any deeper into this. That's it. Thanks for any input you can provide. I super appreciate it. Have a good night.